Next up, paper number 6, which will be presented by also another participant from presenter from Indonesia, Pak Saiful Bahri, enterprise resource planning and an expert in plantation business ERP design. So Pak Saiful will be presenting on integrated GIS and field activity in enterprise resource planning. So Pak Saiful.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a ISOPB seminar in Malaysia. My name is Saiful Bahri from PT LAT Trisakti. We are a plantation IT company based in Indonesia. We do help people manage their plantation ERP with technology integrated system. Today, I will present to you how to process integrated GIS into ERP. Technology is changing. Our behavior is also changing. All of people now always use his handphone. And now we are living in the world of moment revolution industry 4.0, including the plantation company in the field also use the handphone to capture the data, to make the efficiency, to supervise and capture the FFB in the field and the block, and capture the transport inward bridge, and also use the dashboard and handphone from the wet bridge. What is enterprise resource planning? We call ERP. Enterprise resource planning is a cross-functional enterprise system. Can different Sage, Oracle suites. We know Microsoft Dynamics is created by the large company in the world. So SAP is the number one dominate the ERP market in the world. In Indonesia too, and Eropa too, always use the SAP. Oracle is the best database in the world. So everyone agree, love Microsoft Excel. Thus, why no one will ERP application with user interface like Microsoft Excel? To see plan health or GIS report. So is it possible to embed GIS into ERP? From ArcGIS file. And the second layer is remote sensing, real time. And the last layer is data activity in ERP, like the data harvesting, data manuring, and upkeep labor data. From three combinations layer file, we got the integrated result. Produce the KMG file for the border of block and afdeling or division, and combine this area is ERP process. ERP process like the master block and afdeling, become activity like harvesting, upkeep labor, upkeep borongan, or upkeep contract. System integration, system configuration. You see the number one is S3 file template. Upload only one time. This field activity in ERP, harvester, and loader the Turuk, and we do process the integration GIS field activity. Analysis and calculation demo, we got the ERP, combine the activity with GIS. The one we got GIS traceability FFB. You see this block, we got the X block, who is the harvester, we can the traceability. Chart and production, we just click one, this here, they pop up chart to us. We can see the budget and actual yield per hectare. This flat tracking, you can get flat tracking combined to ERP like this, spreader fertilizer. This we zoom, can do. GIS worker tracker too, we can do. Get the from field, which do something to fertilizer. We just give to our labor one GPS system and device. And the 5, we got a GIS pop-up GIS activity and result in this table. So health plan, we got the percentage, the 1 year to see the health plan, January to December and to January again. So finally, what is perfect application ERP solution for plantation company? I show you the demo. You see our software and how to get the attachment file for the first time. I show you how to upload the S3 file. You see test. I show you insert one test. Okay. You got the one file from DPC1 KML. This file is from ArcGIS. After that, if you we show the map, we show the KML file. You see, this KML for the template. After that, how to combine the GIS report? We show the GIS report. We show the GIS report. We try the compare the harvesting. This one, this report, DPC1, DPC2, DPC1 again. You see. Just click, show the graphic, block A6, block AX. You see how to detail data? Just click, show the budget and actual. How to traceability? Just show home, show the selection pane. This traceability. We move again to block A6 issue. You see A6. We know who the harvester. Okay, this one in 1 month. Okay, and next, how to show the country? You try. Country is one. You see this file country. You show the map. Test the KMG file. This KMG file to country. All of the integrated GIS and ERP. And the last one, we got the pop-up. You see the color is automatic to block. You see, just move the mouse pointer to color block. You see the identical. Like this. You see the chase follow. Okay. And then we go back to our presentation. So finally, what is standard requirement of plantation ERP for precision farming? Must be integrated daily activity-based costing. Must be have a finance module, controlling budget, material management, ACM, including employee self-service, attendant and payroll, estate management, field Android GIS, and factory management with grid and IoT mail. And the last one must be got the sales and distribution. And all of embedded Pivot and Power BI. in one ERP. So combine the ERP and GIS like that. This our client in Sumatra using our software ERP. Sumatra, Kalimantan to Sulawesi. This the area statement from our client and with the palm oil mill. So the last one is enough from us, from me, Miss May.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
Pak
Malaysia.
Saiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everything.
Thank you. Thank you. It was a fantastic presentation, and I think it's amazing how all the different layers being integrated into one, and also involving all the different modules suddenly make the managing of plantation much more efficient. And I'm sure there'll be lots of queries with regards to your software, your database design, and I'm sure there'll be quite a number of interested parties as well. The Q&A, we will address the questions at the Q&A session later on. Yeah, Pak Saiful, to stay with us. I've got questions. Okay, so we've got the first question for Pak Saiful from Florence, Palm Elite. She says, the question is the quality of the satellite data retrieved from the public databases sufficient for field management?
Okay. Thank you, Miss Melina. Mr. Jacob, I agree with you. So that's the problem of remote sensing, the clothes. The camera from the remote sensing all from the cloud, sometimes the accuracy is not good. So the solution is we need a drone team on a regular basis to take the picture of the asset in area. I think the best until now is the best solution is from the drone team to take the picture in the field. Just like that, Mr. Florence. That's Dr. Melina.
Okay, thank you very much, Pak Saiful.
Okay.
I'm assuming that that you've answered the question correctly. So, okay, the next one is addressed to Dr. Farah Melissa. Also,
Paper is by Trisakti, is from Indonesia, integrated GIS and field activity in enterprise resource planning. So here we understand that you can integrate GIS and ERP. In the process, you can visualize the activity data, and this will be useful to provide plant health information to agronomists to carry out control measures and fertilizer application. I didn't realize that the ERP method is being used extensively by the various industries, not only manufacturing and also in the field of agriculture.